Hello, you lovely people. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Accounting Lecture. Thanks for being with me since I started the journey a couple of years ago, 2018 January. People have liked this channel a lot and the community has grown. And last week, I started voting just 1 week ago, which videos should I make in this new academic year. And there are 159 votes. You people have voted, and the winner is IGCSE and O-level students. A-level is just right after that. Then AAT is there. ACCA, CIMA are the professional, and university students are slightly higher than the professional students. So IGCSE and O-level students, you people have on the video. Next video should be on IGCSE. Some comments are there. Let's check it out. It says, Mr. OJ says a couple of days ago, A-levels would be good as half of first year was ruined due to COVID. Yes. And secondary year students can really benefit from this. That is true. And then Abdul Rashid, O-level would be appreciated. We have mocks between when the vote session will end. It has ended, just ended today. Okay, 1 week. O-level will be nice. Couple of people commented O-level would be nice, and yes, O-level is the winner. Thanks for being with me. There are plenty of playlists, you can check it out, and then there are loads of videos, you can check it out, all relevant for O-levels, A-levels, accounting, AAT, professional students and university students. Well, once again, I'd like to thank you, and stay connected for more videos. Next video will definitely be on O-level, IGCSE, could be from Cambridge, but this will equally be important for A-level and other accounting students. Thanks for being with me once again. This time, goodbye, and see you in some other videos. Happy learning, happy accounting. Bye-bye.